So this week we've actually seen mortgage rate cuts by some of the big high street lenders, and this isn't a surprise because of inflation rates, and inflation rates have actually dropped, which I'll speak about in this video. So I'll speak about inflation rates dropping and what this would actually mean to mortgages. And one of those things was the fact that mortgage rates are likely to drop. So currently the Bank of England have the base rate at 4%, and it's widely regarded and expected that this is going to further drop next month to 3.75%. So ahead of that and ahead of the autumn budget later in the month, lenders are foreshadowing what's to come. So let's actually dive into the numbers and what we're actually seeing from some of these big lenders. So Barclays have actually dropped a lot of their 5-year fixed deals. So on their 60% loan to value, and this is where you provide 40% as a deposit, they've dropped the interest rate from 3.98% to 3.82% with their £899 arrangement fee. We've also seen further drops on their 5% deposit deals as well. So this is where they provide you with 95% of the loan, and then you would actually put 5% of the deposit down. And Barclays here are offering 4.71% over 5 years, which has dropped from the 4.79% we saw previously. And this is with no arrangement fee. So HSBC on a 2-year fix have a 3.66% interest rate, and this is down from 3.73% that was seen previously, and this is with a £999 arrangement fee. And for those that have a premium standard account with HSBC, they can actually see a further reduced rate of 3.63%. And if we look at the 5-year options, there's been further reductions here as well. So this is currently at 3.88% with a £999 product fee, and this is actually down from 3.93%. And this is again assuming that you've got a 40% deposit, and then they would provide 60% as the loan. HSBC do also provide 95% loan to value as well. So you'd put in 5% as a deposit of that property purchase, and they will then provide you 95% as the loan. So currently their rates are, for their 5-year fixed term, it's 4.77%, and for their 2-year fixed term, it's 4.84%. Now, the reason why the interest rates are lower when you put a larger deposit in is because for the banks, the risk decreases because you've got more of your money in the property. And if property prices were to go down and they wanted to sell it, they're still very likely to get their loan back because your deposit would make up such a substantial amount of the property purchase. Now, Halifax, which is the UK's largest lender, have also dropped their rates as well. So on their 2-year fixed term, this is actually dropped from 4.02% to 3.99%. And this is again on a 60% loan to value with you putting up 40% as a deposit. They also now offer a 5-year rate of 3.98%, which is lower than the previous week, which was at 4.02%. And again, this is on a 60% loan to value. Now, Halifax also do actually offer a 10-year mortgage deal as well at 4.87%. So we can see here that a lot of the big lenders have actually cut their rates. Inflation dropping, with the Bank of England also expected to drop the base rate next month as well, then it's no surprise that lenders are dropping their rates. So if you are looking to purchase your first investment property or your first residential property to live in, or even if you're looking to purchase a property and you've already lived in a property before, you're looking to remortgage, this will serve as good news because it's going to mean that your mortgage payments are going to be lower due to the lowered interest rates. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and you found value from this video or any other video on this channel, then do subscribe as well. And until next time, happy investing.